Okay, step 1, don't touch anything. Step 2, I touched everything. Here we go.
The man just casually painted an entire war. I can't even finish an email.
Nothing says good morning like tanks and a nationwide curfew.
Cozy.
Look at them. Revolutionary vibes. And not a single smartphone in sight. Wild.
Right, 1410. Poland versus Teutonic Knights. And I didn't even bring a sword. Classic.
Oh, great. I'm just casually third-wheeling one of the biggest royal upgrades in Polish history. No pressure.